Hi, today I can show you how to create a GetResponse landing page easily in the GetResponse platform. So you see, this is a dentist landing page. Dr. Neo is the best dentist. So you see, this is the high converting landing page for your PPC campaign, and it's also mobile responsive. Actually, GetResponse platform is really nice to create landing pages. You can easily create this type of simple landing page if you have some technical knowledge, not too much. I will show you how to create this similar landing page step by step. It's a learning tutorial, and after that, you can find to create the GetResponse account creation referral link. So if you can use my link, I will get a small benefit from my affiliate commission. Okay, so now let's get started. First, I can go to my GetResponse account, and now you can create a landing page. Okay, there are two options on by myself, and another is AI powered builder. So if you have custom design, or if you want to create the design from scratch, you should choose this option, and we can use blank template. So you see there are like few layouts. If you want, you can choose any layout from here, but I can start with blank template. Okay, so you see first there are a section. This is the header, and this is the section on. Okay, so first let's check is there have any header or not. This is the just a logo, there are no header, so we can hide this option. Like you can enable the hide, so this option will be hide from us. Now this is the section on. We can drag an element from here, like there are sections, text, button, image, videos, and some extra fields. Okay, so first we can add an image. Okay, I drag an image. Now we need to set the images like this on. Okay, add file. You can select the images. Let's upload more images. Okay, so if you can upload multiple images at a time, it will be save your time. So I just upload 5 images at a time. Maybe there are few images. I hope we can upload this later, no problem. Okay, this is a single image. Okay, see the images. This type of design I did in Figma, because finally sorry the GetResponse have not this type of layout image gallery option. Sometimes you will not able to do without custom code. So for this type of design, we can use Canva or like Figma UI design tool. Okay, I can upload the logo. Let's see, the whole section background is black. In the full page background, so let's copy the color. It's fully dark. Okay, so we can go to the settings of the page. You can use a custom CSS to put the background, or there are also the option. Let me show you. The section background are available. You can use the color like black color, and there are a background shape let me show you. You see the green shapes in the background, so you need to save this background also. Let's add the background. You see the background media here. Add image and upload the image. Sorry. It's WebP image. So I just convert the WebP image to JPG. So you should need to upload JPG or PNG images. Okay, this is the background. Or these images have transparent background, so I can also JPG will not show this transparency, it will be white. So I can convert it to WebP to PNG. So we will get the transparency option. Okay, I just use the image. Okay, you see the small shapes are showing here. So we can see the final version when we can preview. So first we can design the titles and cities. So let's drag a text. It should be a title. Okay, I can select the text and change the color. Let's copy the color. Okay, this is the color. Sorry. Yeah. Font should be Montserrat. Let's update the font size. Okay, and font style should be bold. Now this is the second headline. You see now there are a gap of this title top bottom, so we can enable block setting, and see there are a default 20 pixel spacing in all sides, so I can set it 0. There are a lot of options. If you need, you can use as you wish. Okay, so let's copy the second title, and I can just duplicate this and replace the font. Sorry. Yeah, and now I can just change the font size and styles. 36 pixel. Okay, let's select this, and the color should be white. Okay, the font size 36. Yeah. Okay, 36 pixel. We also use 36 pixel here. Let's check the section. Okay, let's save it. Again, we can add a new title. Just duplicate and replace. Let's copy the color and delete. This font are now black, so we can change it to white, and just these text will be green or free 30. Sorry, from this it will be green color. Okay, Again the new title, just duplicate and replace the title, paste, clear. Sorry. Okay, let's update it manually, no problem. So then it should be 36 and bold. Should be center align. Now see there are a button, just copy and drag a button element. I hope it's there. Let's check the button style. It's similar to this one, I hope. Or we can use this one and change the style or color. This is the text. And now check the button style, 20 pixel and bold, black color. So I can go to advanced setting and change the font family. And it should be 20 pixel. And style would be italic. Color should be black. Font color. Sorry. Yeah. Okay. And button color should be green. So let's copy the green color from here. Okay. And border color also green, or we can remove the border. Border radius are already rounded, and we can use some padding. Like you can go to box setting and you see there are padding option. Sorry, this option will not work. So what we can do, we can use large icon option, or there are the padding option top and bottom. Like you can increase or decrease top, bottom, left, right, like similar like this. Yeah. Okay. And there are no hover effects, so we can use the same color in hover for text and background. Now need to give some space in the top and top. Like we can unlock the link for every site and just give top padding around 30 pixel and save it. Okay, let's continue and need to check how it looks. Let's continue. There are a you can use custom links or custom domain. Okay, so you see showing like this. Yeah, maybe there are issue. Let's open the editor. We see the green color button are going to the next line. Okay, we can keep like this. It will also looks good. I'm not sure why. Sometimes it's create automatically breakpoint when you can use single word in a different color. Okay, so and now we see there are video. So I can add a new element and the video. You see there are YouTube, Vimeo and Oyster link are available. So you can just put your video link here, then it will be appear here. Okay. And if you want to embed any video, then you can just use HTML code and insert your video tag here, then the video will be shown. So now I can just use a video link here. You can add a video link here. You see the video comes up. Video, let's check the video window. You can able to increase and decrease the video height width from here. I can use a default width, or if you want you can scale it full screen width in mobile. So this option also available here. And let's check the video options, border, radius and everything you can manage from here. Okay, set change. If we can use 800 and sorry, okay, we can use default width, no problem. And again we can duplicate this text and use it here. Let's copy the text and paste. Sorry, there are a line break after the label. Let's use the style 44 and uppercase italics. We should use green color. Yeah, okay. And there should be line break. See, there are a space in the top, so I can go to here and give some space around 30 pixel. This is the another heading. You can just duplicate and paste it here. This green and this is the green and my middle part is white, so I can set color. Sorry, it's the color. Okay. Now you see there are 3 columns, so we can drag a title first, title, and listen. The column and row system are not fully flexible. Let me show you, then you will understand. You can drag a text here. Let's copy the color again and paste it here. And let's check the font style. This is 16. Okay. Font size 26 and okay. Bold. Let's remove the white space. Yeah. So now we need to reduce the padding like this, and we can use a spacer bottom of the title, something similar like this. And for 3 column we need to duplicate this 2 times, and now I can just drag it and drag it in the side here, the right side, and again drag this and drop in the right side. So you see there are 3 columns created. Now I can make this short description. Let's drag a text on this column. Sorry. Okay. Let's add the text first. Should be around 16 and okay. It also italic, and we can remove the white space. Again we can drag this Yeah, I saw it works now, and let's, sorry, okay, and the alignment should be center like this, and we need to remove this paragraph heading also, and now just duplicate to time, sorry, and drag it here, again drag it here. Okay, now you see there are no gaps between the uh, boxes, so I can add a spacer, so I can use it here, and now I can just reduce the gap, similar on this, and again I can just duplicate and drag it here, and again reduce the space. Okay, now this is one way, and another way is you can just give a spacing left and right of this paragraph, then it will be also work. Let me remove the space. I just show you the process. You can do as your wish or as you like. Sorry, let's move it here and delete again, delete this. I can just select the paragraph and go to block setting and unlock this, and left right should be 10 pixel. Same for this one. Yeah, let's set change. Now we can just change the title, so I can keep it as like this. Again we can duplicate this button and drag it to the bottom here, and let's copy the text. Okay, text are already same here. Now again copy the text. You see there are images, so I can drag an image. Okay, this image, and you see this is the paragraph, so I can drag a text in the right side because this is, there are two columns. Okay, let's change the color first, then we can modify it, no problem. Now remove the white space. Okay, I can select the text and make it center line, should be 20 pixel, or let's take the size, yeah, 20 pixel. Change the font family. There should be a divider spacer bottom of the button like this, and now we can just change the colors, as you see like this. Let's copy the color. Okay, experience difference. Okay, this section also done. Again there a CTA button. We can again duplicate this and drag it to the bottom. There are 3 images here. We can drag on image first. Okay, there are a small gap, like we can use block setting and 20 pixel is already here, so we should use border radius like this. These images you see around 20 pixel. Image window. Okay, let's duplicate. It's not showing here. I hope it will be show in the preview mode. I can window. We need to use a width around the show 250 for this and for this also. Okay, again you can duplicate and use it in the right side. Let me see, there are small gaps, so we can reduce the column width like this. So we can reduce column. Okay, and now I can make these 2 images are right aligned, left and right. This on and this one should be left. Now go to the block setting and remove the padding because it's taking a lot of white space. Box setting and remove the padding. Also for this, sorry, so okay, it should be padding should be 0. We can add a spacer. Now the issue is you see the border radius are not appear here, so let's preview it first. Why this issue? Okay, it's not properly work. So image with border radius 20. There should be also border radius 20 pixel. This on image window and border radius. We did a mistake. Okay. Now let's okay. Now we need to give some padding. 10 pixel. Sorry. Left. Uncheck and left and right. Or let's remove this and we can give padding on these 2 images. Image window. Sorry, block setting. Padding left 10 or 15. Let's open this and make also 10. You can give 10 pixel for all of the images. Box setting should also 10. Okay, you see there are image gallery also. If we want, we can also use image gallery like grid style. So it will be good for us because uh, this type of column option create problem. Sorry. Like we can use it here, and let's remove the images and drag the spacer in the top. Okay, now we can add images. So I hope it will work perfect now. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Now we can just remove the heading and go to the next section. This is the title. We can just copy and paste, like duplicate this one and drag it in the bottom. Select like this. Sorry, remove the first part should be white. Yeah. Again, we can duplicate this and use this title. This color should be white and font size. Let's check the font size. 28. And this is the green color. Sorry, there are a lot of white space. Let's change the color. Okay, there are no gap. And make it center. Should be set 16. It's not really complex, it's easy, so you can easily design most of the landing page without any complex layout. Because when you can do complex layout or advanced sections, so you should need to know the custom codes. Okay. Blueprint. This is the green color. Should be white. It should be. It should be also white. And there are a space like this. Again, there are a description. Just copy and paste. Okay, let's change the font family again. Settings. Save. Now you see there are sliders. So let's add the city first. Then we can add slider, you see image gallery, you can drag it. Here is the slide option. So let's use this slider. You can just use any of images that you want to add to show for users. I can just use these images again. Add new, use it. Okay. And you see there are width and height option. So for this, we should need to use more, like 600 height and 600 width. Let's check the advanced setting, and we can enable border radius to make it nice. Yeah. So there are again a new slider. You can just duplicate and change the images. So let's save the image. Yeah. Now I can replace the images. I just add the 3 images like the previous slider. Now we can fix the height width, because these 3 images are vertically width. So we can, let's check the width. We can use around 700 width, and height should be 300. Yeah, it's working perfect. Okay, save. Now again the title and descriptions, short descriptions. So I hope you can easily do that. Let me update the content like this. Change the color, and it should be center align. Smile box. Okay. Should be. Yeah. Let me do this, and I will duplicate and change the content. Okay. It should be. This is the color. Let's check the font. 28. Maybe they are a different font family. No sense. So you can use it. And the font size should be 28 pixel. Yeah. Let's remove the white space. Okay. Let's duplicate the paragraph and drag it here. Now need to remove the pairings, and also you can remove the space. Now you can just duplicate and update the content easily like this. Just duplicate and use it here and update the content. So I am not repeat the same thing again. I hope you will do that. Okay. Now the next section is an image. This is the image. And this image is already available. Okay, yeah, this one. Yeah, there is the same thing for this Okay, we used all the elements in a section, but it's not mm, acceptable because we need to use different section for different elements or different content. So as we did, so I just tell you the right way. So you can drag a new section like this, like here, and sorry, the exam. Control Z. Can close. I can just drag a new section, and we can add blank section, not any example. This section background also should be black. Let's add the CTA button. So this text is really easy. You can easily do that. So what's the technical part of this landing page? This is also we have done. This type of section we also done here, and this is the review section, and this is just an image. So I hope you can easily do the bottom parts. So now this the technical part of this landing page is the bottom fixed button, and this I hope you can also do this, able to do this, because I already show you how to show the images in side by side, like 3 column. Let me do it again. I can just drag a image, and let's upload the uh, review, one of the review, and let's make it small like this, and make a duplicate and drag it right side, again duplicate and drag it right side. So you can just now replace the images as you need. Again you can duplicate, also duplicate, and click and duplicate. So you see there are already 6. So you can use like this, yeah, and just replace the pictures. Now I can show the fixed bottom CTA. So how we can do that? Now let's copy the button text, and I can just duplicate this button and add a new section, or yeah, new section, blank section, and color should be white, sorry, black. I can just drag this button and put it here. On this section we need to reduce the top and bottom space, and also remove the button padding, top and bottom, and change the button text. Button border radius should be 0. Yeah, top and bottom we can also reduce like this. Yeah, okay. There are some box shadow. If you can go here, you see some box shadow of this section. You see black box shadow. So I can enable shadow and use box shadow. Let's select the section again and save it. Let's check the preview, and if I can go to the bottom and inspect it, it should be there should be a section class name. Like you see, this is the section class name. So I can write some CSS code. Position fixed bottom, sorry, bottom should be 0, left 0, it should be 100%. Yeah, sorry, maybe there are issue. We need to update the class name. Let's copy Let's select this class. Okay, let's remove the preview and add the custom code, or if you can go here. Okay, we can drag a custom code here and write is style and update the class name. Let's refresh it again. Select, this is the main class, main section. So you see there are a ID. So if we can use the ID, so I hope it will be unique. So I can just copy this ID name and use it here. Remove the section, yeah, and save it. Save it, okay, and refresh it now. And you see the fixed bottom area are working perfect. There are some white space, so we can just go here. This is the footer, so we can hide it for all page. Save, refresh, and you see it's working perfect. On mobile, you can go to the mobile, and on the mobile we need to reduce the font size, like top, bottom, padding, left, right, padding also, paragraph font size also reduce 3:2 and is on 20, yeah. For properly mobile responsive, there are some issue like button text. We should use custom CSS to fix it. Like if I can inspect, you see button and span. So we can write some CSS code on this area. Sorry. Set index. Let index 9. Continuous. Media going. Media next width. Pixel. Should be button. Span. And the font size around 14 pixel. Save and refresh. If I can go inspect from browser, you see already the button size is decreased, and yeah, you can easily update the font size. I already show you here. Let's go to the mobile device. You see the paragraph font size, you can increase it to 15 or 16, and padding, margin, it, etc. So let's refresh it. Yeah, like this. Okay, so I can upload this type of tutorials regularly. So if you can like and subscribe my channel, I will regularly upload this type of tutorial. And if you need any help of website design or landing page design and GetResponse and any other landing page design platform, or also WordPress website design development service, you can contact me. I will be help you. The contact information will be in my link. And if you can create a free trial account on the GetResponse, you can use my affiliate link. So I will get a small commission, because this type of tutorial are taking a lot of time to make. So thank you so much for watching this video.